Hello everyone. Today we will see the three best bank stocks which is ready for a big comeback. The first bank stock name is Bank of America. As you know, Bank of America is the largest United States bank with a $3 trillion of asset. Bank of America is also the largest bank holding of the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, who owns more than 1 billion shares. In this year, the Bank of America is down 13% in sympathy with other bank stocks. Now, let's see some important points related to Bank of America. Currently, the stock price of Bank of America trade at $29.40 and the Bank of America price earning ratio is only 8 and it pay a dividend yield of 3.03 each quarter. The stock is sure to come back as concern about the overall health of the banking sector improve and we move beyond worries of an economic recession. Now we move forward and the second bank stock name is Citigroup. Citigroups look to be holding up better than Bank of America, having gained of 6% year to date. But in the last 5 years, Citigroup stocks has declined 27%. This makes Citigroups a dubious investment as at best. However, there is reason to hope that Citigroup will be among the banking sector comeback stocks. Currently, the Citigroup committed to expand its business in China. The current stock price of Citigroup is $29.73. Now, the PE ratio of Citigroup is of 6 and it pay a dividend yield of 4.22% quarterly. Now, the last bank stock name is Goldman Sachs. The current price of Goldman Sachs stocks is $342.50. Experts expect that all these three stocks may be come back shortly with a high profit. Let's wind up today's topic. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please, for further notification, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon like button of this video.